Hi guys, Assalamualaikum. I'm Janan. Today I'll discuss the lesson and significance of Zakat and its nisab and masharif. So let's start. Zakat. The meaning of the word Zakat is cleanliness, purity and growing. Paying a definite portion of wealth as per principle laid down for it to some specific fields as Allah asks for it is called zakat. Importance and significance of zakat. Among 5 rukuns of Islam, the position of zakat is next to salah, namaz. Allah Ta'ala has mentioned about zakat in Quran several times. Aqimus salat wa atuz zakat, meaning establish salat and pay zakat. Surah Muzammil ayat 20. Poor and destitute people have a right on the wealth of the rich. Paying zakat to poor by the rich is not the rich mercy, but a compulsory essential system to purify their wealth. Allah Ta'ala says, surely the poor and the deprived people have the right on the wealth of the rich. Surah Al-Zariyah ayat 19. We know the meaning of zakat is purity. By paying zakat, the mind is purified. The other meaning of zakat is advancement. He who pays zakat, his sawab increases. He gets many rewards from Allah in the life hereafter. Relationship between the rich and poor develops if zakat is paid by the rich. Cordial relationship increases. Our Prophet ﷺ said, "As-zakatu kantaratul Islam," meaning zakat is a bridge of Islam between the rich and the poor. Nisab of zakat. Nisab means fixed amount. Zakat is compulsory for someone who possesses definite amount of wealth. This is called nisab. One has to pay zakat for possessing a specific quantity of wealth for complete year after his necessary expenditure. This is faraj compulsory on his part. Masarif or head of accounts for zakat. Masarif means head of accounts for payment of zakat. Only 8 types of persons are eligible to receive zakat. 1. The poor ones. 2. Destitutes. 3. The employees employed for the collection of zakat. 4. A person who can be attracted to embrace Islam. 5. Slaves struggling to be liberated. 6. Indebted. 7. Persons dedicated for the cause of Allah. 8. Helpless people living abroad or travelers in financial crisis. If zakat is paid, the wealth becomes purified and increased. The gap among Muslims is decreased. Peace and harmony is established in the society, and social evil, sinful activities are removed. Allah becomes satisfied. If zakat is not paid, the differences between the rich and the poor prevails. Disorder is created in the society. So this discussion helps us to know about zakat. Hope you like my discussion. Pray for me and my family. Assalamualaikum. Allah Hafiz.